Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In my previous video, I have discussed in detail about the new reduced syllabus of physics. Now, today I am come up with my new video, that is ISC class 12 new reduced syllabus of mathematics for the academic year 2020 to 21. So, please subscribe my channel, turn on the bell button so that you can get notification of all my uploads, and please like this video. So let's begin with today's topic. First of all, there is a great news for the ISC students, because from this year council has introduced a project work of 20 marks. So the theory paper, which was previously 100 marks, is reduced to 80 marks. So let's discuss in detail about the change in the syllabus. First, I am going to discuss about section A, which will contain 65 marks. In section A, from the chapter Relation and Function, binary operation is out of your syllabus, as I have shown you in the highlighted box. And from the chapter Inverse Trigonometric Function, there is no change in the syllabus. Now moving to the algebra part. From matrices, concept of elementary row and column operation is out of your syllabus, and from determinant, consistency, inconsistency and the number of solution of system is out of your syllabus, as I have shown you. Application of determinants in finding the area of triangle is also reduced from your syllabus. Now I am moving to the calculus part. From here, continuity is totally out of your syllabus, and from differentiation, concept of continuity and differentiability, that means the first part, is out of your syllabus, as I have shown you in the highlighted portion. Now from the chapter Applications of Derivative, approximation and the point of inflection is out of your syllabus. Now from integrals, integration by using partial fraction is out of your syllabus. Integrals by type is also out of your syllabus, as I have shown you in the highlighted box. From differential equation, problems of applications on growth and decay, distance and time acceleration, this part is out of your syllabus, but previously there was no question from this part in the board exam. On the upper part, the highlighted box is not in your syllabus. Now probability. In probability, up to Bayes theorem, it is there in your syllabus, and after that the theoretical probability is out of your syllabus, as I have shown you in the picture. Now our section A is complete. Now I am going towards section B and C. There is an option between A and C. You can do either section B or either section C. In section B, from the chapter Vectors, there is no change in syllabus. From the chapter 3-dimensional geometry, shortest distance between two lines is reduced from your syllabus. And equation of plane is also out of your syllabus, as I have shown you in the highlighted box. From the chapter Application of Integrals, only simple curves, that means lines, parabola, ellipse and polynomial function is there. Rest part, which I have shown you in the highlighted box, is out of your syllabus. Now moving to section C. In the chapter Application of Calculus, the rough sketching of the following curves that I have highlighted is not there in your syllabus. Now from the chapter Linear Regression, scattered diagram, method of least square and the angle between regression line and properties is excluded from your syllabus. And there is no change in the chapter Linear Programming. Hope my video will help you a lot, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you have missed my physics video, so please check the description box, there I will provide the link. Please go and watch it. Thank you for staying with me.